Why are there not more people talking about the amazing world of animals? Let's change that now. First up, did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? That's some serious love. And get this, a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. How fabulous is that? But wait, there's more. The cheetah, the fastest land animal, can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. Talk about speed. Oh, and ever heard of the axolotl? It's a salamander that can regenerate its limbs. Crazy, right? And finally, let's not forget the majestic blue whale, the largest animal to ever exist. Its heart is the size of a small car. Incredible. Thanks for joining this wild ride. Hit that like button if you learned something new. Stay curious, animal lovers.